I work on my feet all day. I tell you what, they comfortable. I work on my feet all day. I'm in and out the truck, on back of a truck all day. When I tell you, my feet did not hurt no more. Pair of my old boots. But I tell you, haven't experienced a slippery part yet, but for as wear, I do pretty good on grip. Jumping on back and forth truck all day. Man, it worked good. My first time wearing them. Just got them in yesterday. Put them to work. And I tell you, comfortable all day.